Hello and welcome back to another video with Matrix Decoded. In today's quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download or install Python Idle on your laptop or computer, and this specific model is the Windows 10. So go ahead and type in python.org into your browser. Next, you should see a button, and you should be on this official website of Python. So over here, go on the Downloads button, and right next to all these hover on buttons, you should see the latest version or the OS it tells you to download on. So it says download for Windows, and over here give me a button for the latest version to install. So I'm going to click Python 3.8.5, and I'm going to press open, or you can see where it is in your folder, and then after press open. So once I've pressed open, it's going to show this little small pop-up window. Yours should look different if you previously haven't installed Idle. It will give you instructions. You can very simply just agree to the terms and press next. For me, it does not appear that way because fortunately I've already downloaded before. So for me, it just gives options of what I want to do with Idle, the one that I've already installed, so I can modify, repair, or uninstall. I'm going to keep it the way it is and press X. To see if this works, let's go into search, and we're going to type in Idle. Idle is all you need to type, and over here you will see a small pop-up window. Just drag it into your screen so that it appears bigger. To customize your favorite font or font size, go and configure Idle, and you can choose the font that you really prefer and the height. After you're done so, press apply and OK. To test if our shell is working, shell is a term that all programmers use in their Idle to see if their program works. So to see if this works, let's type in print, followed by 2 brackets and quotation marks, and type in hello world. After you have done so, press enter, and it should print back a sentence onto your screen. I think Python Idle is a really great platform and operating system to use because it's efficient and effective. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Please subscribe, like the video, and share with your friends. I would greatly appreciate your support if you could subscribe. We are so close to 100 subscribers. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Peace out.